Hi and welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video we're going to be making a strawberry frangipani tart. You're going to need to set your oven at 200 degrees Celsius to preheat as we get the first lot of ingredients together. And you're also going to need a 22 centimetre tart pan that has a removable bottom. Now there's a few steps to this recipe and you definitely need to leave at least 2 hours to have it baked, and then of course you're going to need to let time for that tart to cool down as well. So just bear that in mind before you start, just to get an idea of setting aside enough time to have this completed and then let's say ready to eat for dessert that night or ready to take in the morning for morning tea. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please press the like button, and of course don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to check out some other baking recipes that I have on my channel. Okay, if you're ready, let's bake.